Hello guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can clear your cache on your Instagram app. So there is no in-app method to delete your cache. So for that you need to go to your phone settings. So here when I go to my phone settings, you need to go to apps and then here you need to search for Instagram. So you can scroll down either or you can search for Instagram. So I'm going to search for it and here you go. Here when you scroll down you will see storage and cache. You need to click on it and then here you will see clear cache button. So after clicking it, your Instagram cache will be clear. So clearing the cache will delete only those files which are used by the Instagram. It won't delete any files or any kind of media related to your Instagram. I hope you found this video useful. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching.